You know that feeling when your inbox fills with the same questions repeatedly? A good FAQ page fixes that. With AI, you can build one in an afternoon, even if writing isn't your strong suit. First, figure out what people are actually asking. Search your email for phrases like, "How do I?" or "Do you?" Check your DMs and Google reviews. Customers often reveal hesitations there. Ask anyone on your team who answers phones or messages. Write down 15 to 25 real questions, not assumed ones. Once you have your list, use ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini's free tier. Give the AI context, your business type, location, size, and what you do. Ask it to write short, friendly answers in 2 to 4 sentences, like a knowledgeable person talking to a first-time customer. You'll have a draft in 30 seconds. Here's the critical part. Don't just post it. The AI doesn't know your actual cancellation policy, service area, or prices. It fills in plausible-sounding details that might be wrong. Read every answer and edit for accuracy. Your review is the most important step. Then organize your answers into 3 to 5 themes: pricing, scheduling, what to expect, policies. Ask the AI to group them, then adjust based on your knowledge. Use accordion blocks on WordPress, built-in FAQ sections on Squarespace or Wix, or Shopify's free FAQ app. Add a line at the bottom saying, "Still have questions?" Email us here so people know a real human is available. One extra step. Ask the AI to rewrite questions the way people actually search Google. What are your hours in city? Instead of what are your hours? Google sometimes pulls FAQ answers into search results, especially for local searches. The honest limitation: AI-generated content is only as good as your input and editing. Skip the review step, and you risk publishing confidently wrong answers. It's a fast first draft, not a finished product. A FAQ page won't eliminate every question. Some people won't read it. Some questions are too specific. But a well-built one handles repetitive inquiries, so you don't have to. That's time back in your week, and for a small business owner, that actually matters.